Stockpiling essentials beyond the rice myth. When it comes to preparing for emergencies, many people immediately think of stockpiling rice. While rice can be a part of a balanced diet, it shouldn't be the only food you rely on. Relying solely on rice can lead to nutritional deficiencies and health problems in the long run. To thrive, our bodies need a diverse range of nutrients found in various food groups. Stockpiling isn't just about quantity, it's about quality. Let's embark on this journey to understand the best foods to stockpile, ensuring you're well prepared for whatever comes your way. Fueling your body, the power trio of proteins, carbs, and fats. To understand the best foods to stockpile, we need to understand the building blocks of nutrition: proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids, also known as fats. These three macronutrients are essential for our bodies to function correctly. Each plays a unique role in maintaining our health and providing us with the energy we need to thrive. Proteins are like the construction workers of our body, constantly repairing and building tissues. They're made up of smaller units called amino acids, some of which our bodies can't produce on their own. Carbohydrates are our primary energy source, providing our bodies with the fuel they need for daily activities. They come in various forms, including sugars, starches, and fiber. However, not all carbs are created equal. Lipids, often referred to as fats, have a bad reputation, but they're crucial for our health. Understanding the different types of fats and their effects on our bodies is crucial for making healthy dietary choices. Proteins, the building blocks for strength and repair. Proteins are essential for life. They make up our muscles, bones, skin, hair, and virtually every other cell and tissue in our body. When we consume protein, our digestive system breaks it down into amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. These amino acids are then used to build and repair tissues, produce enzymes and hormones, and transport nutrients throughout the body. There are 20 different amino acids that our bodies need, but our bodies can only produce 11 of them. The remaining 9, known as essential amino acids, must be obtained through our diet. Foods rich in protein include meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds. Protein deficiency can lead to a range of health problems, including muscle wasting, weakness, impaired immune function, and slow wound healing. Therefore, it's crucial to consume adequate amounts of protein daily, especially when stockpiling food for emergencies. Carbohydrates, energy for today's challenges. Carbohydrates are our body's primary energy source. They're broken down into glucose, a type of sugar that our cells use for fuel. Our brains, in particular, rely heavily on glucose for energy. Carbohydrates are found in a wide variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, grains, and dairy products. However, not all carbohydrates are created equal. Simple carbohydrates, such as those found in sugary drinks and processed foods, are quickly absorbed into the bloodstream, leading to rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. These fluctuations can lead to energy slumps, cravings, and difficulty concentrating. Complex carbohydrates, on the other hand, are digested more slowly, resulting in a gradual and sustained release of energy. Complex carbohydrates are found in foods like whole grains, legumes, and starchy vegetables. When choosing carbohydrates for your stockpile, it's essential to prioritize complex carbohydrates over simple carbohydrates. Lipids, long-term energy reserves, and more. Lipids, commonly known as fats, are often demonized, but they play a vital role in our health and well-being. They provide us with energy, protect our organs, insulate our bodies, and help us absorb certain vitamins. There are 4 main types of dietary fats: saturated fats, trans fats, monounsaturated fats, and polyunsaturated fats. Saturated and trans fats are considered unhealthy fats as they can raise LDL or bad cholesterol levels, increasing the risk of heart disease. Monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, on the other hand, are considered healthy fats as they can lower LDL or bad cholesterol and raise HDL or good cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Monounsaturated fats are found in foods like olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds. Polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, are found in fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, as well as flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. When building your stockpile, choose foods rich in healthy fats, such as nuts, seeds, olive oil, and canned fatty fish. Stockpiling for success. Top choices for each food group. Let's explore the best foods to stockpile in each category. Canned tuna and salmon are packed with protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Dried beans and lentils are affordable, versatile, and rich in protein and fiber. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are excellent sources of protein and healthy fats. Whole grains like brown rice and quinoa provide sustained energy. Oatmeal is a nutritious and versatile breakfast option. Sweet potatoes are a good source of complex carbohydrates and fiber. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Nut butters are good sources of protein and healthy fats. Choose a variety of foods to ensure a wide range of nutrients. The fat fallacy: why your body needs healthy fats. For years, fat has been demonized as the enemy of a healthy diet. However, the truth is that our bodies need fat to function correctly. Fat is an essential nutrient that provides energy, protects our organs, insulates our bodies, and helps us absorb certain vitamins. The key is to choose healthy fats over unhealthy fats. Unhealthy fats, such as saturated and trans fats, can raise LDL or bad cholesterol levels, increasing the risk of heart disease. Healthy fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, can lower LDL or bad cholesterol and raise HDL or good cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Therefore, it's essential to include healthy fats in your diet, even when stockpiling food for emergencies. The body's engine room: how we utilize proteins and fats for energy. While carbohydrates are our body's primary energy source, proteins and fats can also be used for energy when necessary. When carbohydrate stores are low, such as during prolonged fasting or intense exercise, our bodies can break down protein and fat to provide energy. Protein can be broken down into glucose through a process called gluconeogenesis. However, using protein for energy is not ideal, as it diverts protein from its primary roles of building and repairing tissues. When carbohydrate stores are depleted, our bodies can break down stored fat into molecules called ketones through a process called ketogenesis. Understanding how our bodies utilize proteins and fats for energy highlights the importance of having a balanced stockpile that includes all three macronutrients. The sugar trap: unveiling the risks of high-carb diets. Carbohydrates are an essential part of a balanced diet, but consuming too many, especially refined carbohydrates, can have detrimental effects on our health. High-carb diets, particularly those high in sugar and processed foods, can lead to a range of health problems, including weight gain, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. When we consistently consume high amounts of carbohydrates, our bodies become less sensitive to insulin, a condition known as insulin resistance. Insulin resistance forces the pancreas to produce more insulin to lower blood sugar levels. Over time, this can lead to chronically elevated insulin levels, contributing to weight gain, inflammation, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. Prioritizing protein: the cornerstone of a resilient stockpile. When planning your food stockpile, it's crucial to prioritize protein-rich foods. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and maintaining a healthy immune system. Protein-rich foods also tend to be more satiating than carbohydrate-rich foods, meaning they keep you feeling fuller for longer. Furthermore, protein plays a crucial role in maintaining muscle mass, which is essential for strength, mobility, and overall health. Prioritizing protein in your stockpile ensures that your body has the building blocks it needs to stay strong, healthy, and resilient. My top recommendations: building a stockpile for optimal health. Building a well-rounded stockpile is an investment in your health and well-being. Focus on nutrient-dense foods with protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to prepare for any challenges. Sustainable seafood like canned salmon is rich in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D. Lentils are a great source of plant-based protein, fiber, and iron. Pumpkin seeds are packed with protein, magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats. Quinoa offers fiber, iron, magnesium, and all 9 essential amino acids. Oat bran helps regulate blood sugar, supports digestion, and promotes satiety. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A, fiber, and antioxidants. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber. Avocado oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, suitable for high-temperature cooking.